Hi everyone. So this week you are submitting your 2-4 Project 1 comparison template, and this is the final draft of what you worked on in your 1-5 assignment last week. So as a reminder, this is the comparison template that you're going to be working with for this assignment. So the first step in completing this assignment is to review the feedback that you got on your 1-5 assignment. It is very important that you go back into the rubric and read that information so that you know what changes you need to make for your first two ads and how you should structure your questions for ads 3 and 4. Now, if you struggled with your questions in week 1 or are struggling with creating questions in week 2, you can always start by taking a look at the video for the 1-5 assignment. You can post a question in the general questions discussion board, or you can send me an email with your questions you want to check in about. I'm more than happy to take a look at questions you have. If you wonder, hey, is this a good question about a group? Is this a good question about an individual? You can email those to me, and I'm more than happy to take a look. Now, there will be another announcement posted that will walk you through 3 different ads and how to create the questions for rows 1 through 3. So if you're struggling with this assignment, please be sure that you're looking for this and make sure that you go through and take a look. There is both a video and there is also a written walkthrough. So you can use whatever will work best for your learning style. So please remember, if you have any questions, I'm here to help. Thanks for watching.